Hey up lads, Cosh here from Cosh Bushcraft. Quick video to show you a new knife I've made and to say that I'll be doing a tutorial video on the file work on the knife. Another quick word before I show you the knife. I've not done a video for a while. I've been very ill. I had pneumonia through summer. I don't know how you catch pneumonia in summer, but I ended up with it, and been in and out of hospital, lost a few stone, and being really ill, basically, pleural taps and all sorts of stuff. I'm not going to go into it too much, but do you know what's good about having pneumonia? Fuck all. So, without further ado, I'll show you the knife. Friction folder, UK legal friction folder. Nice fancy file work down the back. I'm going to do a tutorial on the file work here because a lot of the tutorials I've seen just don't show actually enough information. As soon as they go to filing, you can't see nothing, and you're just not seeing now. I think I've got an idea of how to show you a little bit better, so I'm going to do a file video just purely on the file work, how I got this effect, the sandwich effect on the file work and whatnot. But yeah, that's it really. I just wanted to show you my knife, say that I've got a few projects coming up and coming. A power station I've been building for camping and fishing and whatnot, and for my boat. It's basically charges off my boat and runs a sound system that I've made, a sound system, and it's a 12-volt power station. Videos coming up on that. What else have I got coming up? A video on that and a tutorial for this. Also on my boat, I'm going to do a bit of a video on my boat, showing my boat on that lot. Stuff that features that I've fitted on there. I use my boat for canals and stuff like that. It's inflatable tender, so it's like set up a bit different from what normal people have their boat set up and stuff. A few bits like towing systems for towing in and out of locks and weird stuff like that. Going to be showing that, but like I say, watch out for the tutorial if you're interested in getting this file work or anything like that. It is not hard. The file work is not as hard as you think. Once you've start doing it, you'll be amazed at what you can do just going round, you know what I mean, in half an hour or an hour. You'll be surprised at what you can do and get on with, you know what I mean. Yeah, if you're thinking about doing the file work on a knife, don't hold it back. Get yourself a practice piece of steel and have a play, because it is a lot easier than you think. Once you get your head around it, it is a lot easier than you think, and I think the knife looks beautiful. What do you think? What do you think, knife? Tell me, let me know. What do you think of the knife? Is it good? Is it bad? Comment, subscribe if you feel the need. Means a lot to me. Subscriptions to a small channel and stuff like that. But yeah, that's my latest one. For now, it's Camper Cosh signing out.